Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change the engine oil in your Subaru Outback. First, gather your supplies: a new oil filter, 5 to 6 quarts of the correct engine oil, a drain pan, and a wrench. Make sure your engine is slightly warm, but not hot, to allow the old oil to drain efficiently. Always park on a level surface and set the parking brake for safety. Now let's get that old oil out. Safely raise your vehicle using jack stands or ramps. Locate the oil drain plug, usually a 17mm or 19mm bolt, on the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly beneath it. Carefully loosen and remove the plug, letting all the dark, used oil drain completely into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter. Locate the old oil filter, often near the front of the engine. Use an oil filter wrench to remove it, being ready for any residual oil. Apply a thin film of new oil to the gasket of your new filter before screwing it on by hand until snug, then give it about a quarter turn more. Finally, pour in approximately 5 to 6 quarts of the manufacturer-recommended engine oil. After adding the new oil, replace the oil filler cap and start your engine, letting it run for about 1 minute. This circulates the new oil. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if needed. Double-check for any leaks around the drain plug and filter. Remember to properly dispose of your used oil at an approved recycling facility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.